everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the picture for your lock screen and edit this. So you can see I just have this clock on there. So what you want to do is go to the top right and go to settings. Click this and go on down to lock screen. Then go to where it says edit lock screen. Now under here we can change pretty much the background, the style, the font of the clock, and you can add widgets too. So if you go to add widget right here, you can add, this information under here. Voice recorder weather, maybe we can do a weather thing on here. So we can just do, I don't know, let's do participation. We can do this one right here. We can just add that on there. And I believe if we click it, we can make it bigger or smaller. So the weather one doesn't seem like it. So if I want to change the background, you can see I have the option for gallery right here. So I can just go to gallery right here. So here's me. I can click on me. Put this as my background. Or I can go to frames. Here's different framing. Valentine's Day coming up. Otherwise I got specific colors. And then I got wallpapers in the top left. So if I want to pick one of these, I could. Just have a basic one. Here's specific colors. Here's graphical, whatever that implies. Then it looks like I even have video options on here. I don't know if this would work. Let's choose one of these and just check it out, I guess. Looks like you can have a video as a background. That's interesting. Did not know that. So just click wallpapers right there. And then hit done once you're done editing your background. So you have more options on there too. You can take a look at. But I guess this is what I came up with. I didn't know you could have videos on there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.